Still using Tally for your books? In this quick video, you'll learn how real businesses are switching to Zoho Books in just 3 simple steps: fast, smart, and hassle-free. Tally has served businesses for decades, but it's time to modernize. Manual backups, lack of mobile access, and no real-time collaboration, it slows you down. Zoho Books offers a cloud-based, intuitive platform designed for the modern business. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step migration tips, automation hacks, and transformation stories. Hit that like button if you're finding this helpful and comment below. We reply to every question. Step 1 is all about getting your data ready. Before migration, clean up your chart of accounts, log previous years, and ensure consistency in naming. Export the necessary masters and ledgers from Tally as XML or Excel files. A clean base makes for a smooth transition. Next, import your data into Zoho Books. Map your accounts, contacts, and tax configurations correctly. Zoho's import tool makes this easier. But if you've got complex records, we recommend working with a Zoho partner to avoid errors. The final step, verify your migrated data. Check trial balances, customize invoice templates, and connect your preferred payment gateways like Razorpay or Stripe. Train your team to use Zoho Books effectively, and you're ready to go live. After migration, you'll notice the difference. From automated bank feeds and GST filing to 24/7 access and real-time dashboards, Zoho Books transforms the way you manage finances. Want expert help? We specialize in end-to-end Tally to Zoho Books migration. Grab your free custom migration plan or ask your questions live during our weekly session on ZenoH. Links below. If this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos coming on business transformation with Zoho. See you next time.